Hey y'all, got me a new toy today. I got the Dremel Versatip. It's a butane soldering torch. So it has a butane, like a butane lighter with soldering tips on the end. And it comes with other tips, so you could use it for cutting plastic or marking plastic and shaping plastic and stuff like that. Has a wide angle here for you could still do some soldering, I guess, with it. Here's a solder it comes with. This is like a cover for the tip. Anyway, let's open it up and see what we got in here. Got instructions. And it comes in a nice fancy box. That's pretty nice. Well, smooth. Let's open her up. See what we got inside. Alright. I'll get the torch. Looks like we got a couple of little wrenches here. Probably for getting the tips off and on. Got the tip cover. Got a nice tube of solder. We got a little sponge here. A little thing for water. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tips, plus the one on here, that's 6 tips. Not bad. I paid like $42 for this. A little story, I ordered some stuff on AliExpress, right? I thought it was like a cheap torch soldering iron. And I wait for 4 or 5 weeks, and what comes in the mail? This little package of 5 tips. So I go look at where I ordered it from, and even though in the title it said torch soldering iron kit, in the pictures of the product, it had the picture of the big kit like this, and it had a red square around the tips, like that. So that was all they were selling, was the tips. Anyway, I sent them a nasty email that they fooled me. They won't fool me again. But anyway, I got some extra tips. And now that I see them, I see that none of them are like the ones I already got. And they have the same thread. So, it should be interesting to see if these work on here. But anyway, got some extra tips. This cost me $3 something, so, you know, I was a fool to think I was getting a soldering torch for $3, but I was ordering from AliExpress. What do you expect? Everything there is pretty cheap. Anyway, here's the torch. Now, it looks like it has a special safety here. It looks like you flip it like this so you could light it. And this looks like a lock. And this looks like a flame adjuster. See how this lock works. Pull it down, light it, and then you can lock it. Then you can let go, and the torch should stay lit. Then you can shut this off. So anyway, let's fill this baby up. So I got some neon butane. I also got. I think I got that on Amazon. I like the biggest can I can get because I hate spending $10 for a little teeny can at Walgreens or whatever. So remember how to do this. You want to do this in short puffs, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3. You can feel it, fill it up. You don't want to do it too long because then it freezes the valve and it starts leaking. So you want to do little short bursts like that. I think this is pretty full right now. Anyway, so we did 4 bursts, right? So let's put this flame about halfway. Whoa. Alright, there we go. See, it's lit. Oh, getting nice and hot. Let's see, I got some solder over here. See if I can reach it. I don't feel like taking out my new solder. Alright. I would think this is already heated up, right? Oh yeah. Not bad. Not bad at all. Oh boy, I like that. And that's as low as I could get it. The other settings were blasting. Anyway, that looks pretty cool. So now, I can't put it back in the case, right? So I'm going to have to leave it hanging off the edge here like that. Anyway, pretty interesting, huh? Kind of like how that works. That friggin' soldering iron was heated up pretty fast, and it was going to stay heated. Not like some of these soldering irons, how they work, you know. A couple seconds on, a couple seconds off. I should have tinned my tip better, huh? Oh well, it'll be alright. Anyway, I kind of like this. Has a nice feel to it. You know, I can't change the tip obviously right now because it's kind of hot. But anyway, you can see the one small wrench will go on the tip, and the one larger wrench will go on the thing to hold it, so you could crack it. And of course, I'm sure this comes off. Yeah. Nice. It's still hot as hell. I can feel it from down here. Anyway, not a bad choice from Dremel. That's called the Dremel 2000. Versatip. It should be the Versatorch. Anyway, it comes in a nice case. Maybe we'll do another video. You know, melting some plastic or something like that. But anyway, I'll leave a link to it down the bottom. Like I said, it was 42 bucks. That's what I paid for it. I've seen them all the way up to 50 something. But yeah, if you're gonna buy a torch soldering iron, you might as well buy the good one. Buy the Dremel. It's a good one. It feels good. You know, the handle's nice. Even this ain't bad. You just lean up on it like that. You see that? Pull down. And we're lit. That easy. Very nice. So with that, I'm going to leave you guys. Remember, don't forget to, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video. Leave your comments below. We always love to hear from your comments. I like to reply to them. Anyway, that's about enough for this video. I can't put this thing away, but it's the Dremel. And thanks for watching.